Healthy eating with regular exercise is one of the best ways to manage diabetes. Hello everyone, welcome to GNext Group. Today in this video we are going to tell you about top 10 vegetables that can control your diabetes or even reverse your diabetes. For this list, we picked the top 10 super nutritious veggies and ranked these veggies on the basis of their nutritional content and glycemic index value, which is a number that gives you an idea about how fast your body converts the carbohydrates in a food into glucose. The smaller the number, the less impact the food has on your blood sugar. Number 10. Asparagus. Asparagus is a very popular vegetable in the world and is well known for its unique savory taste. It is a good source of folate, vitamin K, iron and fiber. Scientists have found regular intake of asparagus keeps blood sugar levels under control and boosts the body's production of insulin, the hormone that helps it to absorb glucose. Increased fiber intake has also been shown to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, improve insulin sensitivity, and enhance weight loss in people with obesity. To enjoy the health benefits of asparagus, you can add this vegetable in your salads, omelets, and other dishes. Number 9. Green beans. Green beans are delicious and nutritious vegetable choice for people with diabetes because these beans are low in carbohydrates, low in glycemic index and glycemic load, and considered as a great food for both preventing and managing diabetes. They are high in several vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients. They are a great source of vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, iron, chlorophyll, fiber, and folic acid. They also contain phenolic compounds and flavonoids, both of which reduce risk of diabetes and obesity. Antioxidants in green beans help protect against free radical damage, which occurs at a higher rate in diabetes. Therefore, people with diabetes are advised to include green beans into their daily diet plan. Green beans can be simply cooked and served as a side dish or added into salads or soups and used as a key ingredient in many dishes. Number 8. Spinach. Spinach is considered as a superfood for people with type 1 and type 2 diabetes because of its high fiber, lutein, folate, iron and calcium content. Spinach is very low in calories and carbohydrates, which means it does not have much effect on your blood sugar levels because foods that are high in carbohydrates cause blood glucose levels to rise. So you must restrict your carbohydrate intake in order to control your glucose. Spinach low calories content is a major benefit to persons with diabetes because losing just 5 to 10% of your body weight can help improve your blood glucose levels as well as your blood pressure and cholesterol. Therefore, to enjoy the maximum health benefits of this dark green leafy vegetable, you should include spinach in your daily diet plan. You can consume spinach by making its delicious soups or by making spinach rich vegetable and by drinking a glassful of spinach juice. Number 7. Onions. Onions are a low-calorie vegetable to include in your diabetic diet. They contain high amounts of fiber, iron, potassium, vitamin C, and various essential micronutrients called flavonoids. Quercetin, a flavonoid antioxidant that's highly concentrated in onions, has been shown to reduce symptoms of diabetes. In an October 2010 study published in the journal Environmental Health Insights, suggested that consumption of fresh onions may reduce blood glucose levels among type 1 and type 2 diabetics. Therefore, including onions in your diabetic diet may be an excellent food choice to control blood sugar level. Number 6. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are an excellent vegetable fruit choice for diabetes patients because tomatoes are low in calories and carbohydrates, which help diabetics to maintain healthy weight. Tomatoes are also a good source of potassium, manganese, vitamin C, vitamin K, and lycopene, which is a powerful antioxidant and may reduce the risk of cancer, heart disease, and macular degeneration. As per 2011 study published in International Journal of Food Science and Nutrition, it was found that 200 grams of raw tomato each day reduced blood pressure in people with type 2 diabetes. Researchers concluded tomato consumption might help reduce cardiovascular risk that's associated with type 2 diabetes. Therefore, people with or at risk of diabetes should include tomatoes in their daily meal plan. Just choose fresh tomatoes and cut them up in small pieces and add them to your salads or prepare its soups or use them as an ingredient into your variety of vegetable dishes. Number 5. Cabbage. Cabbage is extremely nutritious vegetable to include in your diabetic diet because it is an excellent source of vitamin K, C, and B6 and is a very good source of manganese, fiber, potassium, vitamin B1, folate, and copper. It is very low in calories and carbohydrates and is also low on the glycemic index. Cabbage also has a lot of antioxidant and anti-hyperglycemic properties that make it a medicine for diabetes. As per scientific study done in 2008 on diabetic rats, it was discovered that all the rats which were fed red cabbage for 60 days has lower blood glucose levels, lost weight, and had restored renal function. The research findings were published in the Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine. Scientists believe that it's the antioxidant and anti-hyperglycemic properties which help with diabetes. Therefore, diabetics are recommended to include cabbage into their daily diet. You can include cabbage in your diet by adding it to your salads, soups, or by preparing its vegetable or juice. Number 4. Okra. Okra, commonly known as lady's fingers, is a nutritious food choice for people with or at risk of diabetes. It is low in calories and high in dietary fiber and many essential vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that provide many health benefits and can be used for treating diabetes, lowering cholesterol, and boosting the immune system. Increased dietary fiber intake has been shown to promote better glycemic control and improve insulin sensitivity. Many people with diabetes have reported decreasing blood sugar levels after soaking cut up okra pieces in water overnight and then drinking the juice in the morning. In Turkey, roasted okra seeds have been used as a traditional diabetes medicine for generations. Therefore, by including okra in your daily diet along with a healthy exercise routine, you may be able to control blood sugar level effectively. Number 3. Kale. Kale is a diabetes superfood because it is naturally low in calories and carbohydrates and high in fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin A, beta-carotene, zeaxanthin, and lutein. It is also a good source of calcium, potassium, vitamin B6, iron, and copper. Studies have shown that a high intake of fiber may lower blood glucose levels in people with type 1 diabetes. Those with type 2 diabetes may see improved blood sugar, lipids, and insulin levels. Diets rich in carotenoids, lutein, and zeaxanthin may help to support eye health, which is the important risk factor for people who suffer from diabetes. Kale also contains an antioxidant known as alpha-lipoic acid, which can help lower glucose levels, increase insulin sensitivity, and prevent oxidative stress-induced changes in patients with diabetes. Therefore, it is recommended to include kale in your diabetes diet plan. It can be consumed raw in salads or on sandwiches and can be added to your delicious soups and stir-fry dishes. Number 2. Broccoli. Broccoli is a wonderful vegetable to include in your diabetic diet plan because while it is very low in calories, It is extremely rich in many essential vitamins, minerals, phytochemicals, and antioxidants. It is a good source of fiber, folate, potassium, vitamin K, and vitamin C. One of broccoli's most powerful compounds is the phytochemical sulforaphane. As per latest research done from the University of Gothenburg in Sweden, reports that a chemical found in broccoli sprouts called sulforaphane reduced blood glucose levels in people with type 2 diabetes by a magnitude similar to that of metformin, a prescription diabetes medication. All this makes broccoli a perfect food choice for people who are trying to lose weight and control type 2 diabetes. Therefore, diabetics should include broccoli into their daily diet plan. Number 1. Bitter melon. Bitter gourd, also known as bitter melon, is a wonderful vegetable fruit for diabetes patients because it contains 3 anti-diabetic substances known as charantin, glycine, and an insulin-like compound known as polypeptide P. These substances either work individually or together to help reduce blood sugar levels. It is also known that bitter melon contains a lectin that reduces blood glucose concentration by acting on peripheral tissues and suppressing appetite, similar to the effects of insulin in the brain. Several clinical studies have been conducted to evaluate the efficacy of bitter melon in the treatment of diabetes. In January 2011, the results of a 4-week clinical trial were published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, which showed that a 200 mg daily dose of bitter melon significantly reduced blood glucose levels among patients with type 2 diabetes. If you are thinking of adding bitter melon to your diet, make sure you limit yourself to no more than 2 ounces of bitter melons or more than 2 melons a day, as excessive consumption can cause mild abdominal pain or diarrhea. Thanks for watching. To watch more videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel GNext Group.